In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repost a post on LinkedIn. If you're scrolling through your feed and you see something valuable that you want to share with your network, the process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through exactly how it works and when to use each option. As you browse your LinkedIn feed, keep an eye on the action bar at the bottom of any post. Alongside familiar options like reacting or commenting, you'll see the repost button. When you find a post you want to pass along, simply tap or click Repost. This opens up your two choices. You can share the post as is, or you can share it with your own thoughts added on top. If you choose to repost as is, the post is shared instantly to your network without any extra input needed. This is perfect when the original message already says everything you'd want to say. It keeps things clean and quick, and it still credits the original author, making it clear where the content came from. If you choose to repost with your thoughts, you'll have a space to add a short note before you share. This is a great way to provide context, highlight your key takeaway, or explain why the content matters to your audience. Keep your message concise and helpful. Think of it as a quick headline plus a sentence or two of insight. This added perspective can make your repost more engaging and useful to the people who follow you. Once you've made your choice, tap Repost to confirm, and your share goes live right away. That's all there is to it. The original author remains credited, and your network will see the post along with any commentary you added. It's an efficient way to amplify good ideas, celebrate accomplishments, or surface timely news without having to create a brand new post from scratch. A few quick tips to make your reposts more effective. Be selective and share items that align with your professional interests, or that your audience will genuinely appreciate. If you're adding thoughts, aim for clarity over length and focus on what your viewers will gain. And remember, consistency builds trust. Thoughtful reposts over time help you show up as a resource in your field. That's the entire process. Browse your feed, tap Repost, choose whether to share it as is or with your perspective, and confirm. Reposting on LinkedIn is simple, fast, and a smart way to participate in the conversation.